Is the install light on your Ninja Creami blinking and the machine won't start? This doesn't mean something's broken. It means something isn't fully locked in place. Here's how to fix it fast. Step 1. Make sure the pint is fully seated in the outer bowl. The pint should sit flat, not tilted or crooked. If it's not positioned right, the lid won't align and the machine won't detect it. Step 2. Check the lid installation. Line up the arrows and twist until it clicks into place. If the lid isn't fully locked, the install light will keep blinking. Step 3. Lock the bowl into the base firmly. Slide the outer bowl into the machine and rotate the handle down until it clicks. This locks the safety interlock and tells the motor it's safe to run. Step 4. Don't press any buttons until everything is secure. If you hit a mode button too early, the install light may blink as a warning. Wait until all components are locked before pressing anything. Step 5. Wipe the sensor area if problems continue. Occasionally, debris or condensation can block the safety sensor inside the lid or bowl mount. Wipe both with a dry cloth and try again. Still blinking after all that? It could be a misaligned safety switch or defective part. Ninja support link is in the description if you need help. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next frozen treat.